Rosemary tea. Do you like apples? Have you ever tried apple and rosemary tea? Today you will learn the benefits of this tea. Apples are one of the most used fruits in juices and teas, and is frequently the base of many mixtures. Did you know that both the pulp and the peel are rich in vitamin C and minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, and potassium? This fruit also contains fiber and a powerful antioxidant called quercetin. All of that makes apples great for reducing blood pressure, improving brain function, reducing the risk of diabetes, helping with constipation, preventing cancer, fighting asthma, preventing cavities, improving immunity and bone health, alleviating stomach issues, preventing eye diseases, and slowing down aging. With that in mind, it's not hard to see where the saying, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," came from. So what about rosemary? Well, according to studies, rosemary can aid memory and mental fatigue. It also helps with digestion, inflammation, diabetes control, improves blood circulation, and is a powerful antibiotic and natural diuretic. Drinking apple and rosemary tea will bring you many benefits, not to mention its delicious taste. To make this tea, you will need 1/2 tablespoon dried rosemary or 1 small branch of fresh rosemary, 1 apple, preferably organic, and 10 ounces of water. Making it is really quite easy. Wash the rosemary branch. Core the apple and dice it. Put the apple pieces in a pan of boiling water. Add the rosemary, put the lid on the pan and turn down the heat. Let it boil for 5 minutes more. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat and wait until the mixture cools down. Strain, sweeten with honey and drink. You can drink this tea in the morning or at night. This tea can also work as a relaxant, as it fights fatigue and improves sleep. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and we'll see you next time.